Siabo ha ye Adom TV mamo atsen emra bedwam kase boso anope ensem no de aboabo no ne de bre wo yo man mu nsem ene de ekoso edin amagye so ene abena pokoa hwenie na ye sensem na se ama wa Ghana Health Service ye asuye yo mo hwe apomode ensem so da di to dwa se fa to sum yinu ye polio enum so yo mo de bon kwada ho ban mo munyanya efienum no mo de ne fa to sum yinu eba nkwada opepe enso 7 million and wo hye se wo mo ebeso manum
say be obado or private school and I say we get community kwa na ye hu say vaccination no e ade ho hia pa we dey say it me ye man emfremu ye hwe say obi a be hu bagim problem na ba meli data akra na Ashanti ti meshe awu bia oba wo na wo 0 months to 59 ya hwe say de hu bagim na ya man vaccine
Enwechino Penino Order Disease Control Department of Ghana Health Service ano Dr. Kwame Amponsechi ano editor just say
bra ye call schools private schools no na ye nya hu ye hia kakra I say na some of them were not engaged until ye letter ye de call ye no ebi mu jitu ebi mu so anyanto ye hope say this time there omo ate ase ye round 1 ye wie a say omo ye informed ombe boa yen na private schools especially the one crime potem any ekura kase akase mkumase no ne ade ombeboa yen na yensa kan kwara na enya mfie no mu no mo nya bi round 1 any omo enya bi nyina eka
na afiwe no education week celebration no akoso eho na chief of staff Mami Frema osai opare ede atudwa chese wo hwe aban hihya wo de aba wo enwomasuamu a eye de ekọ animu de ode boa ama wo ma wo pe ensanudwuma aye asua ho nimde anya ne de wiase nyina so gye tom a eye ensakraya wo de aba enwomasuamu.
Ghana is moving forward to catch up with the modern trends. We are not late. What we are doing is helping our students to have critical minds. So they create. They are not just imbibing knowledge, but they are actually creating knowledge. And I think we need to support the education agenda that the government has.
Enwechino oswafo na hwe adisiansem so Dr. Yawose Duchum enso dinsem sei eka ho.
Emfianso otwa mu de ayenie ni amagana fo anya resem se oman enwomasua ensachiraye no ne brenie ne ye ade ebinsi da se obenya maba ne mrante a etimi chef die na tunam wiem abrochire de omoye no kwan bi so no ye di omanim eni sabre omampani na na adodan kwakufu adu pen so yesi aban school ebe ya kono ebe ye fe
na medewo na lagano National Association of Local Authorities of Ghana penyi a wodhye wo mo entotu anasa president Eric Nana Adjumai Prempe efi minu ni ye obeso dwumadie ni mu ya wototo enema wo chese wabeto eka na wode hihya hodo nyina gu akwanso wo hwese saka ni nyina no ebefi ho na laga akonanim.
When this current executive took office, we inherited a significant debt burden from previous 3 administrations. I am pleased to inform you that through prudent financial management and commitment, we have paid the greater part of this debt.
Bono Regional Minister Justin Awusu Banahene and Sudin Semse Etudja.
We must understand that politics is about resources distribution and not for a do or die affair. We must therefore exercise caution to guide against any form of provocative talk and behavior that will cause mayhem in our country. Let us continue to embrace peace for Ghana to remain a beacon of democracy and peace in the West African sub-region, if not Africa as a whole.
Na yedi ewie ama no mampade dada John Dramani Mahama wotu Franka ma NDC yedi atudwa ese wono eba ebeye mampani a omanfo mo ewo ensanwam efi hono ma ekosi suhum no obehye se ebeba beye biaye bia ye ka no abefo emfidinyuma ene ho hyehyɛ ya ebekwanimu ne ho so ye kra behye
nyame Adom na NDC ba new industries new businesses eba ye beba beje asase free ahemfo no ho from Amasamai call Nsawam up to Suhum. Senebeya. Obia Opeso Obia factory. Se abrofo, se Ghana fo. Yebe trust asini biya maomo. Senebeya ye mebunu ewon Nsawam teacher mante sa ko Suhum. Moso mubenye ejumani biya ye.
Wasan ede nsɛm foforɔ se atudwa ɛfa akwan wodo ɛwɔwa atete apansam.
Abrami wa bemu me ban Nsawama na akwan ne ye. Metumi usa akwan ne ye. Samre so ni afcha se ene akwan ye free aburi eba Nsawam. Until the roads were generally good. But enfie watchini afibia yesi year of roads. Afibia yesi year of roads. Afibia yesi year of roads. Yankotia MPP Aban say almost 12,000 kilometers of roads. Enti asema mi bisane say sa 12,000 kilometers of roads. And so aduajire modia ewehe.
Amampani abedi echalaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ane to Frankama MPP wodi atuja esoba ebeye mampani a se wo kra mobile phones efro bi man so e de aba na waba beton eto bi eda ho wo airport wonum no wo be hye na wayi efi won manu chin so wo be hye se data ya wo de be ko internet so ne ade no so no wo be mane bo ayefo
memunu so minim se munye obi ape mobile phone me for mobile phone prices no abba form no taxes on mobile phone imports. We are bringing down the import duty. We are eliminating the import duty on mobile phones so that mobile phones no buono ebeba form amamo, and also the cost of data. We are going to bring down the cost of data. The cost of data for our youth. Namoitmenya make you calls. Choboy.
And which you know what as a person and no who's berima, edit to when people when you connect off when him say.
And no, my papa, a buying as a chef, MPP, a buying as a mayen, and no energy siano, yet Pesa Ebenya and Tuaso. Na and Tuason Baba, if you woo, if you me, if you biara. Yenya yeshia them has saying, say ye move a bupenya. Ohano eye MPP eti nkasa bi ebeka bia no eye ye nia ye ho na ne o abonten no so eno na esi ano ye duru so se ye de ye sempa no ebekọ be biara
na mejina ensemi so na anopa no sia bedwam kase boy de ba no media si de akire eye de bokrata no naposo omanhene kwabena asante ebeka me ho na ye de abrewedi amegye so ene abena pokua when near Madawase Amamu and Eshe,